Hello, it's Kieran from County Battery. I'm going to show you some improvements that we've done to our pack building process. Okay, so some of the improvements that we've done to our pack building process. Firstly, this is the stock that we use, and on the floor is actually the stock that we used to use as well, but not as much. So we've realistically halved this stock down. So we've only got the stock that we actually use on this piece of racking now. Okay, so what we've also done with this racking is we've put the stock so it's easy to refill from the bag. We want to put a tubing system in later, so this is going to be very easy for us to do then. Okay, so this station here, we can do half disassembly here and we can do half gluing here. We've also got tools up here as well, so this makes it very easy. So as you can see here, we have an extension cable. We've got our cordless screwdriver here, which is currently on charge. We've also got our glue gun here. This is all connected to the extension cable, which is then connected into one port into the wall. Right, so we're back in the old room, and this is a piece of racking that is sort of similar to what the cells were on. So as you can see, it's a little bit clunky. There was other stuff as well, like this on it. So here we've got some thermistors, some connectors, some foam, stuff like that that we didn't really need at that point in the process. Also, the racking for the stock was actually here, and I was actually working here. So the amount of movement that I had to do was just ridiculous. So now in the new room, I barely have to even take a step. Thanks for watching. We'll keep updating you with the progress that we're doing.